Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We're going to be landing shortly. Local time is 8:03. Weather is 73 degrees and clear skies. Flight staff is going to begin coming around one final time to collect any trash you may have. If you brought Bay on this trip and Bay is tripping, please feel free to pass them to the flight attendants who will gladly dispose of them for you. Our final destination features many beautiful beaches and there's no need to bring your own sand. What? Oh, wait, my co-pilot has informed me that I'm doing too much and I need to stop playing. Remember, folks, relationships take work.